So in the last video, you saw a position servo move from 0 to 90 degrees. And in this video, we're going to take a look at the rotation servo. The rotation servo is actually, it's a different piece of hardware. And so the rotation servo might say rotation on the outside, or in this case, you can see here, it has a little R at the end of the model number, but it allows you to use the servo in full rotation, like a wheel that turns. And the difference, obviously, in snap is that it's actually a different block. So I'm going to show you how the rotation servo might be programmed to run something that is rotating in full 360 degrees. So I'm going to get rid of these for now. I'm going to leave the, I'm going to leave the weight for now. And I don't even need the repeat. Let's just go here. And the rotation servo that I have is currently hooked to port 2, so I want to make sure I connect the correct port for my servo. And this percentage is just how fast you want it to go. So let's just start with something like 50%. I'm going to have this run for 5 seconds. And then I'm going to bring it up to 75. And then we'll bring it up to 100. And then we'll bring it back down to 0. We'll see how that looks. Okay. So here it is moving at 50%. It's going to speed up to 75. And then finally 100%. And then go back down to 0. Okay, and so this is the percentages for speed, obviously, and if you needed to go in the other direction, you would just type a negative in front of your number. So let's see how that goes. There's 50% in one direction, 75% in the other direction, and then 100% back in the original direction, and then it'll stop. Okay, that's rotation servo.